Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about sensory bracelets. I really love the variety of colors that come with this accessory bracelet packet. You have all the pastels and a really nice sheen on these as well. They are super strong and I was really impressed with the strength because you know kids are going to just grab these and yank them as hard as they can if that's what they like doing. They're a really good size even for adults to keep on their wrists, so they work perfectly for kids as well. I appreciate that the seam is really well connected so you don't have any sharp hard pieces of plastic that are going to scratch when you put them on or take them off. Once again, the variety of colors really gets me and I love how stretchy they all are. As a bonus, the bag that they come in is resealable, which I love, so you can sanitize and pop everything away ready for the next day. And I'm not going to lie, I am a bit of a fidgeter myself, so I had a great time just playing with this while I was in a Zoom meeting, and nobody knew the wiser that I was just keeping myself amused because the meeting was a little bit boring, let's face it. So I love them, I know you will too. So my kids love them, but that's just my point of view.